The number of medals earned by 12 swimmers are recorded below. We have 2 4s, some 5s, 7, 8, a 10, 11, and some 12s. And here's the box plot. Complete the following statements for the given data. The median is, the first quartile is, the third quartile is, the smallest value is, the largest value is. For the smallest value, well, this is the smallest value. That smallest value we already know is 4. And the largest value is all the way over here. We know that number is a 12. So now let's focus on the median number. To get to the median number, we keep moving in from left and right until we get all the way down to the middle number. What we've done is that there's 5 numbers on the left, and we've come in 5 numbers to the right. Since we have an even number that's left, 5 and 7, we take the average of 5 and 7. 5 plus 7 equals 12. But we divide it by 2, and that means the median is 6. If we had an odd number, we wouldn't have to do this division. So the median number we know is 6. That's why this line right here is the median, and it's 6. And that's 6. That line right there represents the median number. This line right here represents the smallest number. That's the smallest number, and we said that earlier that it was a 4, that it's a 4. And then the largest number, this number right here, this is the largest, and we know that that's a 12. And this is a 12. Okay, so now what we want to do is figure out, let's say, the first quartile, Well, the first quartile is going to be this. We're going to find the median. We're going to find the median of these numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why those numbers? Well, that's exactly half of the numbers. Let's now work on the first quartile. Here's the first quartile, which is made up of these numbers, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, and 5. What do we want to find? We want to find the median of these numbers. What's the median? Well, let's go ahead and start making our way to the middle number. And as we make our way to the middle number, here are our 2 middle numbers. It's even. So again, we add those together and divide them by 2. 5 plus 5 is 10 divided by 2, and you've already predicted it was going to be a 5. So our first quartile number is a 5. That's the side of the box plot right here. The first quartile, as we said, is equal to 5. So now we have the first quartile as 5. Now let's figure out the third quartile. Well, you're probably guessing it. It's right here. That's the third quartile. That's the third quartile because that's the other side of the box on a box plot. So that's the third quartile. So just by looking at it, we probably could estimate it, but we're actually going to calculate it. We're going to calculate it from these 6 numbers. We're going to find the median of those 6 numbers. So we have a 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, and 12. And so what we're going to do is make our way till we get to the middle number. And again, because it's even, we're going to stop there. And we need to take the average of 10 plus 11 divided by 2. So that's 21 divided by 2, which equals 10.5. So our third quartile is 10.5. And if you notice on this box right here, the third quartile ends up at 10.5.